Animal Kingdom 2. Part 2 examples. Acidia, sea squirts or tunicates. Common name, sea squirts or tunicates. Subphylum, Urocardata. Subphylum, Urocardata. Acidia, sea squirts or tunicates we call, and subphylum, Urocardata. It belongs to. Alligator, crocodile. Alligator, crocodile. Class, Reptilia. Alligator, common name, crocodile. Class, Reptilia. Aptenodytes, penguin, class A. Aptenodytes, common name penguin, class A. Branchiostoma, Amphiaxis or landslide, common name Amphiaxis or landslide. Subphylum Cephalocardata, Branchiostoma, Amphiaxis or landslide, subphylum Cephalocardata. Bufo, toad, belongs to class Amphibia, order Anura. Before, common name toad, belongs to class Amphibia, order Anura. Betta, fighting fish, Astichthys. Betta, fighting fish, Astichthys. Class Astichthys. Belenoptera, blue whale, largest animal, class Mammalia. Belenoptera, blue whale, largest animal, class Mammalia. Bangarus, crate, class Reptilia. Bangarus, crate, class Reptilia. Camelus, camel, class Mammalia. Camelus, camel, class Mammalia. Canis, dog, class Mammalia. Canis, dog, class Mammalia. Carvus, crow, class A. Carvus, crow, class A. Columba, pigeon, class A. Columba, common name pigeon, class A. Crocodilus, crocodile, class Reptilia. Crocodilus, crocodile, class Reptilia. Celotes, garden lizard, class Reptilia. Celotes, garden lizard, class Reptilia. Chameleon, tree lizard, class Reptilia. Chameleon, tree lizard, class Reptilia. Kiloon, class turtle, marine one, class Reptilia. Kiloon, turtle, marine, class Reptilia. Clarias, maggot, Clarias, maggot, class Astichthys. Clarias, maggot, class Astichthys. Carcharodon, great white shark, class Chondrichthyes. Carcharodon, great white shark, class Chondrichthyes. Cutla, Cutla, class Astichthys. Cutla, common name Cutla, class Astichthys. Doliolum, that tunicates, commonly called tunicates, subphylum Urocardata. Doliolum, common name tunicate, subphylum Urocardata. Delphinus, common delphin, class Mammalia. Delphinus, common delphin, class Mammalia. Elephas, elephant, class Mammalia. Elephas, elephant, class Mammalia. Exocetus, flying fish, class Astichthys. Exocetus, flying fish, class Astichthys. Equus, horse, class Mammalia. Equus, horse, class Mammalia. Felis, cat, class Mammalia. Felis, cat, class Mammalia. Hippocampus, seahorse. Speciality, special character, parental care, male wear brood pouch. Hippocampus, seahorse, parental care is a unique feature and male wear brood pouch. Class Astichthys. Hippocampus, seahorse, parental care, male with brood pouch. Class Astichthys. Hyla, tree frog, class Amphibia, order Anura. Hyla, tree frog, class Amphibia, order Anura. Hemidoctylus, wall lizard, class Reptilia. Hemidoctylus, wall lizard, class Reptilia. Ichthyophis, limbless amphibian, class Amphibia. Ichthyophis, limbless amphibian, class Amphibia. Labio, rohu, class Astichthys. Labio, rohu, class Astichthys. Mixin, hagfish, class Cyclostomata. Mixin, hagfish, class Cyclostomata. Macropus, kangaroo, class Mammalia. Macropus, kangaroo, class Mammalia. Macaca, monkey, class Mammalia. Macaca, monkey, class Mammalia. Naja, cobra, reptilian. Naja, common name, cobra, class Reptilia. Neophran, vulture. Neophran, vulture, class Aves. Neophron, vulture, class Aves. Ornithorhynchus, platypus, egg-laying mammal, class Mammalia. Ornithorhynchus, platypus, egg-laying mammal, class Mammalia. Petromyzon, lamprey, cyclostomata. Petromyzon, lamprey, cyclostomata. Pterophyllum, angelfish, class Astichthys. Pterophyllum, angelfish, class Astichthys. Prestige, sawfish, class Chondrichthyes. Prestige, sawfish, class Chondrichthyes. Psittacula, parrot, class Aves. Psittacula, common name, parrot, class Aves. Pavo, peacock, class Aves. Pavo, peacock, class Aves. Panthera tigris, tiger, class Mammalia. Panthera tigris, tiger, class Mammalia. Panthera leo, lion, class Mammalia. Panthera leo, lion, class Mammalia. Pteropus, flying fox, class Mammalia. Pteropus, flying fox, class Mammalia. These are the common names and scientific names. Let's take a look on Ascidia, sea squid, alligator, crocodile, actinodites, penguin, branchiostoma, amphiaxis, bifo, toad, betta, fighting fish, Balanoptera, blue whale, Bangaras, crane, camelus, camel, canis, dog, carvus, crow, columba, pigeon, crocodilus, crocodile, calotes, garden lizard, chameleon, tree lizard, kilone, turtle, clarias, macaw, carcharodon, great white shark, cutla, doliolum, unicate, delphinus, common delphin, elephas, elephant, exocetus, flying fish, equus, horse, felis, cat, hippocampus, seahorse, hyla, tree frog, hemidoctylus, wall lizard, ichthyophis, limbless amphibian, labio, rohu, mixin, hagfish, macropus, kangaroo, macaca, monkey, naja, cobra, neophron, vulture, ornithorhynchus, platypus, egg-laying mammal, petromyzon, lamprey, pterophyllum, angelfish, prestige, sawfish, psittacula, parrot, pavo, peacock, Panthera tigris, tiger, Panthera leo, lion, and Pteropus, flying fox.